In this video, I'll be going over 5 Shopify apps that all dropshippers should be using on their stores. All of these apps are essential to making more sales and growing your business in 2024. From adding social proof to increasing your average order value, you don't want to miss out on any of these. Like always, drop a like and subscribe for more content just like this. My name's Alex if you're new. We have a lot to go over, so let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first app that I have for you isn't nearly as exciting as some of the others that we're about to go over, but it's just as important. So this is an image optimizer of some sort. Just go on the Shopify App Store, type in image optimizer, and it'll show you all of these results right here. I don't recommend any of these more than another, but I have used Crush in the past. I have nothing but great things to say about them. Same with Pix Image Optimizer down here. I've used both of these apps on some of my own stores and have had nothing but good things to say. You guys definitely want to look for something with a free plan available. This isn't an app that you want to spend a ton of money on, especially in the beginning when you don't have much to work with. But what it does is it compresses the images on your website to save space and make your website load so much faster. This won't affect the quality of any of your images, and it will significantly increase the loading speed of your website. So download one of these apps, compress all of the images on your website, and watch how much faster things load. Because let's be real, if you have a slow website, that is going to turn customers away. They'll simply exit your page and go buy the same product from one of your competitors. So to save you that trouble, you guys definitely want to use an image optimizer of some sort and ensure that you have a fast, high quality website. All right, app number 2, we're going to be using reviews to add social proof, increase the trust with our brand, and boost our sales. I remember seeing a study some time ago that reviews are treated like word of mouth from a friend. Customers trust the reviews on your website like it's a friend recommending an item. So it's essential that you guys include reviews on every single website and product page that you create. You guys can see down here under the search results on the Shopify App Store, we have a ton of great options. There's Luke's right here, which is by far the most popular. You have Judge.me, as well as Alley Reviews, all 3 that I've used myself. I don't have to do much explaining with this app as it's pretty self-explanatory, but just know this is essential for your website as it increases your customer trust and will increase your conversions as a result. So let's go ahead and take a look at 2 product pages that are using Luke's on their page. Right here is Project Yourself. This is a jewelry store. You guys can see they have Luke's reviews under this product page down here, and it does a great job of displaying this product and the customer satisfaction around it. Moving over to BlendJet, by far the most popular dropshipping store out there. Once again, they use Luke's reviews down here. You guys can see how clean and professional this makes their website look. But you guys don't have to use Luke's. You guys can use Judge.me or Alley Reviews and import your reviews directly from AliExpress and Amazon. All right, app number 3 is email and SMS marketing. In case you guys didn't know, email marketing has the highest ROI or return on investment for any other marketing source out there. On average, for every $1 you spend on email marketing, you'll make $40 in return. This is unheard of with Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, so make sure you double down with your email marketing campaigns and start building a list today. This will help you create your essential flows like your abandoned carts and your welcome series, as well as craft together really good promotional emails. You guys can send out email promotions for certain holidays, certain events, or just whenever you need money in your pocket throughout the week. Always plan ahead and structure your emails accordingly, and don't miss out on the cash flow you can generate with email and SMS. Now you guys can see there's a ton of great options down here. You guys have Shopify email, which is free from Shopify. You guys got MailChimp. You guys got all of these other options down here, but by far my personal favorite and recommendation is Klaviyo. Klaviyo is very advanced. They have a ton of tools and resources to help you guys scale your brand, and they're very affordable with a free plan to help you guys get started. So we're moving over to Mild, which shows different brands' promotional emails, and we're going back to BlendJet for this. You guys can see this is an email promotion that BlendJet sent their customers just a couple of days ago. You guys can easily craft up email promotions just like this and send them to your customers to put more money in your back pocket. And like I mentioned, don't forget about your essential flows like your abandoned carts, your customer winbacks, your welcome series, and all of those other flows that Klaviyo offers. All right guys, app number 4 is very essential in itself, and that is some sort of an upsell app, whether that's product page, cart upsells, post-purchase upsells. You guys need to have upsells on your store. You guys can see all the different apps that come up under upsells. One-click upsell from Zipify down here is by far the most popular. But if you guys are looking for a free plan to get started, since Zipify is pretty pricey, you have Reconvert post-purchase upsell right here, which has a free plan. And I've used both of these apps on my own stores and have nothing but great things to say about them. And there are so many different types of upsells. You have bundle upsells, you have buy X, get Y, you have volume discounts and quantity breaks. There are so many different things that you can do with all of these apps. Here's a winning product we've seen in the past from RecoverX. This is the Smart Cupping Massager. And you guys can see they have their quantity breaks right here below the price. You guys can buy one for $45 each, buy two for $35 each. You guys can save 50% and buy 6 for $25 each right here. Not only that, you guys can upsell customers in their carts, post-purchase, on their checkout page, anywhere on your website that you would like to. And this simply increases your AOV, or your average order value, by making people buy more at once. You can have them buy more of the same product with quantity breaks like we see right here, or you guys can upsell them similar products and bundles if you're running a niche store. Don't sleep on this. Upsells are one of the greatest ways to generate revenue in 2024. All right, app number 5, we have a 2-for-1. Both of these apps are going to reduce your customer service, having less customers reach out to you via email, phone, or whatever you have set up on your website. They're going to build trust and they're going to boost your sales as a result. So the first one is some sort of an order tracking page. You guys can see all the different apps that offer this right here. I've used a ton of these apps in the past and they all pretty much do the same thing. So try them out. Look at the different pricing points, see if you guys want a free plan or if you guys want to pay a little bit more for a pro plan on some of these apps. I don't recommend one more than the other, but definitely go through, look at what each one can do for your store and try them out. I've worked with Track 123, 17 Track, Post Ship, After Ship, Parcel Panel. All of these apps have done great things for my own stores. They allow you to set up your own customer tracking page where customers can click on the link on your website, type in their tracking number or their order number or whatever with their email, and it will allow them to track their orders, see where it's at, see the estimated delivery. All of this without having to reach out to you and ask for their tracking numbers or whereabouts. This will save you a ton of time. This will save you a ton of money. And down the line, this can definitely prevent chargebacks, refunds, disputes, and all of the headaches that come with dropshipping. The other app that is very similar is FAQs. You guys should have some sort of an FAQ page on your store or on your product pages, just answering some common customer questions that they might reach out to you and ask. You guys can download this to your page, look at different Amazon listings of your product or other stores, look at different ads and see what your customers are asking, and then have ChatGPT generate you some nice FAQs to include. So since we've been looking at examples, let's go back to BlendJet. I like the way they structure everything on their website. They have a ton of experience with this and they know exactly how to talk to their customers. You guys can see this page right here. They can click track their order right there. Or if you want to get more information, they have a ton of FAQs down here in the form of articles. You guys don't have to do anything this advanced. BlendJet is by far one of the most popular dropshipping stores out there, but you definitely want to include an order tracking form of some sort in an FAQ section somewhere on your store. All right, guys, those are the top 5 apps you should be using if you plan on dropshipping in 2024. Let me know in the comments down below if you think I missed anything and what the top apps you currently use are. If you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I have quite a few resources to help you get started linked down below. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.